There's no music in my headphones. What the? Good morning, good morning. Could y'all hear that? Could y'all hear the music? Because I couldn't hear. Oh, let's start over. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I am David. I just woke up. Hey, Bitcoin halving countdown. Yeah, we heard it. Oh, you did hear it? I could not hear it in my headphones. Oh, let's take these off. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. A little late start. Sorry. Woke up at went to bed last night. My wife and I both laid down with our son and to try and help him get to sleep. But we both ended up passing out with him. So woke up at 3:30, which is an hour before I wake up. It's bad news bears. Wake up at 3:30 and then go back to sleep. Not good. It's not good. Good morning. Good morning. D Jenny from the blockchain. Blackie Chan. Justin Eubanks. V Monitor. Merp. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Look at the waves in the chat. Love to see it. Wave gang. 3 days, 14 hours, 13 minutes left until the Bitcoin halving. Are you guys ready? It's like we're waiting for a fireworks show, but nothing really happened at the time of the halving. Everything's just kind of meh, It just happens. A regular retracement into the 50Ks only feels brutal because we've had 7 green months in a row. Yes. My halving prediction is off a little. All right. Speaking of the halving prediction, let's go ahead and throw it up. Am I on Coinbase? Yeah. Where's my cast giveaway? Okay, I deleted it, didn't I? I sure did. Why do I keep deleting this thing, man? This is pissing me off. Anyway, I'm gonna have to do a lot of. I was doing some. You get to see how my mind works, and going backwards, how my mind works. Where is my daggum cast giveaway? Look at me. There it is. Get out of here. Counter. There we go. All right, let's get rid of all this crap. Can you guess who I am? Which one I am? 63,500. 63,500. Chan says, let's see. This is Chan's halving prediction right here. $71,222. I mean, anything can happen, my guy. Anything can happen. Merp's all the way up here. Indie Rock Crypto's all the way at $88,888. Okay? Okay? I think some of you will get a little closer. So, I did draw me a nice little Batman last night. I don't recall. Was it on the index chart? I might have I don't know. Who knows? I probably deleted that too because I just delete everything, apparently. Apparently, I delete everything. So I was wondering if we were going to get a 5-wave crashing structure here, and we still have the 5th wave to go. If we pull a fib from the start of this range here, or when, the start of the breakout here, and you come down, we do have a golden pocket here, so do have a little bit lower we could go, and it would complete a 5-wave crashing structure. This doesn't look like an ABC to me. It looks like a 5-wave structure where we have another wave to go. I don't know. Maybe. Also, I lost a subscriber and I don't know why. I wish I could, like, I wish there was like a thing like unsubscribe and like why? Well, because you suck or something, like just let me know. Looking like the support I drew has now turned into resistance. Well, that is because you don't know what you're doing. No, I'm kidding. Maybe it's possible. Well, I don't remember what your support was. Was it something like this? I think so. So right now we are sitting at the 50% level of this move. Now, however, if we pull from the actual start of this move, I'm on Bitstamp. Okay. Let's go to something clean. Maybe do Binance. I'm sure I don't have anything on there. All right. I need my all white candles. All white. All right. All white. There we go. Little cleaner look. Very start of this to the upside to the top side. And this is why I think Piper, Army Piper, shout out to Army Piper. He's been calling for some reason. I don't know why, because I listen to Piper while I'm at work. I don't get to watch. So I'm not entirely sure why. However, 55K seems very likely. He keeps saying 56. There we go. Just got to get these right. He keeps saying 56. Okay, yeah, 56,175. So that's just a 50% retracement of this whole move, okay? 50% retracement of this whole move, which isn't like crazy, It's not really crazy. And do some measured moves. Now, if we do measured move from the bottom here, we do get there. 56K. So if you like your measured moves, there it is. They give it to us. They give us that 56K. We can also draw a fixed range volume profile if it'll let me from here to here. Just take this whole run up. Nice volume node right there. So that is definitely a possible target. Now, what I don't like is how this point of control changes, I think, depending on the chart. See, now it's a value area low, so we've lost the POC, so that makes more sense to me. Lost the point of control, right? Bearishly back tested it, and now we can go for another push down. Will we get there? I'm not sure. That's very difficult. Hola, French toaster. Let's go over to CoinGlass, see how we are looking on our open interest. That is what I want to know. So we're still just kind of low on our open interest. So not a lot of leverage coming back in just yet. Still kind of chilling. Can y'all hear those sirens? It's too early for sirens, bro. What are y'all doing out here? So what I don't want to see is price start to creep to the upside and also have open interest creeping to the upside like at the same time, especially as steep as that. It's just too many longs being put into the system, and they will get wiped out. That will happen for sure. So let's hope that doesn't happen. A nice steady rise would be good. We want to see spot buying more than anything, because spot buying will help hold up the price. Oh my god. Huh. Spot buying will help hold up the price. At certain levels where people just won't sell, you know? What do we have on the news front, guys? Let's see. Let's see what we have on the news front. Low production value, guys. I'm a streamer, okay? I don't do a show. I just stream. Oh. Median wheat CPI. Oh, this is Canada. Nothing really too big on news, huh? Chappelle speaks today at 1:15. Who cares? I know most people care, I guess. Wow. Pretty slow week. We got unemployment claims on Thursday. Okay. That's right before the halving, though, so it might not do anything. Nothing on the economic news that's like really intriguing or anything. Best thing we got going on this week is the halving. Boring. Who cares about some halving where what? Why do people care? Why do people like it when the Bitcoin price gets cut in half? I don't understand. We all know that that's what happens, right? Night, Billy Goattails, guys. Billy Goattails. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Follow at Billy Goattails. Follow at Crypto Billy 111. Mr. Crypto Billy himself says 100 divided by half plus 50 equals blank. Only one right answer. 100 divided by half? Huh? Isn't this 100? Am I wrong? I just subbed with my other 4 Google accounts, boosting those numbers. Thanks, Bucky Chan. First of all, why do you have 4 other Google accounts? Anyway, I don't know. I can't think of this for some reason. Any kind of crazy news going on? We have any like war stuff going on? Anything to spook the markets, you know? Iran is trending and Israel. Cool. Breaking, there are military movements in Iran. Russia has moved a supersonic missile warship to the Middle East following Iran's attack on Israel. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. War. Be scared. Get out. It's all over social media. Get out. Get out of the markets because they're going to crash. Get out. I don't know. Seemed like a bunch of nonsense. 3 days, 13 hours, 45 minutes. Sounds good to me. Baby mama subscribed Saturday. Good job, baby mama. Good job, baby mama. So what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? Are we going lower? Lower for longer? Unfortunately, I think probably. I think we are going lower. That's just how the cookie crumbles. We're on the bottom side of all this volume here on the fixed range volume profile, where there's basically nothing. We have a little bit of life support here at 56K, with a little bit more down here at about 52.5, 52K. I know that TradeFly has been pointing this out. Not this. I know TradeFly has been pointing out the liquidations, the liquidity map, heat map, liquidation heat map. Any day now, thank you. Don't want the 24-hour. Don't care about that. Go to the 3-month. Zoom out, and we could see plenty of liquidity down there. Bang. All of that down there. Now, this is a liquidation heat map. It's not a liquidity heat map. I don't even know what that means, because we still have a bunch of liquidity up here. Why do they call it a liquidation heat map? By the way, I was on Coin Wars. You know that Coin Wars exchange that they've been using for the crypto wars, trading wars. They have some weird ways of like describing things. Is there a can you check 1 hour bull div on MC? Yeah. One sec. What was I saying? Oh yeah. And I closed the trade, and it says liquidation successful. And I was like, what? I was like, where's my money? Better be here, bro. Like, why you say something like that? Why you say liquidation successful? Ugh. There's an owl hooing right outside my window, and it's kind of annoying. Oh, goodness gracious. Blackie Chan. Banking email, business email, crypto email. Hey, hola. Should I be looking for long and target 67K? Well, probably not. Probably not. Where's my... Gosh, D-Jitty. Hold on. I legit could not breathe. I had to blow my nose. Yeah, so we're struggling here, guys. We're struggling here. Struggling. Can I delete everything? Yes, this is a Binance chart. Okay. All right, so let's take a look. Let's see. Bull div, what'd you say? Bull div on the 1 hour? Yeah, I mean, it's there. There we go. There we go. Now we do have the bull div on the 1 hour, but I mean, we had a bull div here, right? This one played out a little bit, but it's just the problem is what? What's the problem? Problem is our money flow is in the red, okay, and our VWAP is below the 0 line, okay. I got rid of the stochastics. I got rid of the RSI. I got rid of all that. It's just noise to me. It just gets in the way. But yeah, money flow in the red, VWAP below the 0 line. It's just not something I'm willing to get into because this is a game of probabilities, and you want the best probable outcome. Did we just set a new low? Let's see. I don't think so. I don't think so. However, I didn't set a new low yet. But I did notice that we do have equal lows. Equal lows love to get taken out. Actually, it depends on the exchange. It really does. It depends on the exchange, because I know on Coinbase, there's equal this down movement here created an equal low with this down movement here. So if I come over here to Coinbase, yeah, right there. See, get rid of the cast giveaway. Not get rid of it, but So, but this is spot. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So we have the equal lows. Equal lows love to get taken out. Equal lows and equal highs, they love to get taken out eventually at some point. But I see it on Coinbase. Do I see it? I didn't see it on Binance. Do I see it on Bitstamp? Not quite. Not quite. But this just, this just makes so much sense to me. It just makes so much sense to me. We've got a 3-3 ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 3-3-5 correction, flat correction. I can show you guys what that looks like. 3-3-5 correction. Three, 3, 5. Elliott wave, regular flat correction. And there it is. There you go. That's a 3-3-5, just a regular old flat. It can be a regular flat. It can be here we go. Here's a better one. Can you see that? So this is a regular flat, this is an expanded flat, and this is a running flat. An expanded flat takes out both the high and the low, and a running flat only takes out the high and comes up short of the low. So, could we get the running flat? Possible. Haha, NHL is stacked. Y'all are talking some sports stuff. They've had so many problems with that exchange. Oh, wait, what happened? Bruins playoffs start this weekend. You mean Blues? Go Blues. Are they even in the playoffs? Good morning, all set. Good morning, everybody. Oh, later, Justin Eubanks. Have a good day, brother. Have a swell day. See you in the chats. How running flat we didn't take out the high. What is that? A brain aneurysm? No, I'm kidding. Because, my guy, it's not a running flat. It's not a running flat. It's just a regular old flat. It's just a correction, bro. Just count the waves. Count the waves. Don't think too much about the highs and the lows. It's just count the waves. It's ABC, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where it is. That's where it is. And let's go a little bit lower. Maybe even down to 55. So 55, 56. So depending on where you pull from. See, if I pull from here, that area is the 786. And if I pull from here, that area is the 0.5. So, kind of confluence based off of two different points. Andy Lee, what's up? Good morning. What are we looking at? So, I still this just makes too much sense to me. Maybe that's why it won't happen, but yeah, I got that sleep in my eye. You know what I mean? That crusty stuff. I literally woke up at like 5:30 to my alarm going off. and was like, damn it, I'm supposed to be doing a show right now. Or I'm supposed to be streaming right now anyway. Got up, got a cup of water, created a scheduled show, whatever, a title, and hit live, go live. So excuse me if my brain no functiony, okay? Hey Bones. Let's see if you can see him. Come here. Come on. Come here. Okay. Can't see my dog. Oh well. He did not want to come here. So yeah, I would be careful today. Just don't get too ahead of yourselves in general. Don't get too ahead of yourselves. Just be patient. It might be best to just wait and see what comes of the having. Just be careful. Be careful. Because if I flip this and I change my bias, which I do recommend people do from time to time, which is invert the scale so you can kind of really see what you're looking at. Does this look like something that's bottomed out and is about to pump up? Kind of does, doesn't it? Kind of does, doesn't it? Kind of looks like a V-shaped play, right? It's not. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Where's my Batman? There it is. Posted this last night. I said the signs were there. Help us, Batman. Help us. Help us. Robo. Mr. Robo. All right. Let's take this back. Take us back, Dave. But reel it back in. Reel it in. I haven't looked at anything other than Bitcoin. I'm just hanging out with you guys, I guess. It's been fun. So yeah, if we put in some equal lows here, I would expect a retrace and then a crash back down. It's just, nothing looks good right now. Let's put on the market cipher A, not the VWAP, market cipher A. Let's look at that. So we're on the 4 hour, below our EMAs. Ooh, not looking good. Below the 200 EMA, below the 50. 50's about to cross the 200 on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily, see how we're looking there. So we're still maintaining there, and we do have what is this? Is this a 50? I think that's a, what is it? Oh no, that's the Fibonacci EMA, which I still don't know how that works. I gotta ask Schaefer. No, Batman. Yep, that one right there. Doge, please. Doge. Who's trading Doge, bro? No, I'm kidding. Just woke up, rubbing the boogie out of the eyes to see the past hour drop. Yeah, basically. So we do have this Fibonacci EMA here at 60K. So I would not be surprised to come back and see that. Let's see what. Yeah, this is also something that happens to be basically right at that level. Hold on, let's pull it from here to here. Right there, 0.5 is right at the previous quarter midpoint and the current year midpoint. So it's not a significant level. 56K, guys. I think I'm with Piper on this one. That also takes out our low here, which I've been expecting for a little while. I don't know. It just seems right. And then it'll probably wick down and then bounce up and close above the Fibonacci EMA and then continue higher. That is what I want. Bones. What are you doing in there, dog? And then he runs off like he's crazy dog. Anyway, money flow coming to the downside, right? So obviously price comes to the downside with it. So yeah, previous quarter midpoint and the current year midpoint, all right there at the 0.5 of this impulsive move to the upside. Okay, so it just makes a lot of sense for us to go down there. So I am waiting to see if that is what we get, because if we get that, guess who's gonna DCA? Me. I'm gonna DCA. And what else is gonna drop with it? Altcoins. Okay. Dog coming for Doge. I just wanted to scale in for 3 months for $1.6 Doge. $1.6 Doge? That's interesting. So right now, losing the EMA cloud here, the 50 EMA cloud, would not be what we really want, especially on the daily chart. But zoom out, go to our 3-day. We do have that EMA cloud right there at that level. So go to the weekly. What is this random line? There we go. Weekly says we could go even lower. But I don't think we'll get there. I mean, it is possible. It is possible that we do come down to the golden pocket here at 52K, 50K. You know, we know that there's liquidity there. However, I think that that would likely get front run, and it would stop. The bleeding would stop around here, because there would just be too many buys. Bitcoin at a prop, at a discount. People are expecting 100K. People probably rightfully expecting 100K. So just anywhere around this area, and you're going to get close to 100% return if you get to 100K. So I'm selling all of my Doge if it hits $1. Yes. I mean, why wouldn't you? Previous week low, previous month low, all the way down here at 0.117. What am I on, the weekly? I need something with a little bit, well, yeah, it was on Binance for a while. All right, so we can look at our money flow. Let's put it on the Hakinashis. Take a look at our money flow, which has been steep in the red, but look at that curvature coming to the upside. If this VWAP can flip in a couple of weeks or so, few weeks or so, that momentum wave is on the top side though, and it's coming down. So this might get a nice little pullback. Nice little pullback. Let's take off the not market cipher A so I can see a little better. Take off the spaceman. Take these wicks. Broke out above there. We've lost the upper wick. We haven't closed below it though. This is the next breakout point right here. Man, y'all are talking. I think a DCA into stable so I can buy larger bags at this possible 56K level. Almost out of monies to buy the current dip. Thoughts? Yeah, if you still have money to deploy, I would definitely wait. That's all I can really say. Not financial advice. New ASIC for Script LTC Doge Bella is coming out in May. Ooh, okay. What is Bella? I haven't heard of Bella. What is that? I am DCA and Doge because Doge BTC has bull div on weekly with money flow. Bull div on weekly? Where? I'm on the weekly. I don't see a bull div. L9 is incoming. Nice little catalyst. $1 is psychological level. I don't care about TA on memes. It's not reliable. Yeah, that's true. Doge BTC chart. Typo. Sorry, Bell. I still haven't heard of it. Still haven't heard of it. Yeah, I don't know. All right, started the move to the top here. It's already come back to the point of control to the golden pocket. That 786 is right there at that line, at the breakout at 0.107 cents, about 11 cents. Oh, I know what I can do. I'm sitting here trying to think. Well, I should already have stuff put together for a show, but you know what? We like to chill around here, okay? Whoa, let's get rid of all that. That's a lot of noise. So this is the total 2. This is the entire crypto market minus Bitcoin. So all the altcoins. This is the altcoin market, essentially. It's a nice little capitulation, right? The question is it going to continue? Is it done? Like what are we doing here? Who knows? Who freaking knows? We're not putting in anything that says we are reversing yet. That's why I keep saying like I don't know, because we're just at the lows, you know? We're just hanging out consolidating at the lows. Anything can happen from that. You can consolidate and we can pop up and then come back down. Yep. You know what? Forget this for a second. Let's go to Bitcoin and just. This is what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of stuff like this or something like this, where we get a fake out to the upside on the news of the halving, and then it crashes back down. Same little deal here, where it just pops up and then rolls right back over, right? So I'm just being patient. I want to see higher lows and higher highs, and currently we are not getting them. We are not getting them. Now, we might put in a higher low today on the 4-hour. We did get a little bit of higher lows and higher highs here, but we can see we came right back down and took out the lows. So it's just like, okay. And then I'll also notice that, you know, this rising channel here, I think Tony Soprano had this as well, which you could pull a couple of different measured moves from it. I could pull from here to here. This is the conservative play that gives us 59K. Put from here to here, that gives us 57.8. But if I go from the top here, that gives me my 57K there. And if I go from the breakout, that gives me my 55.2. It's a lot of stuff is just lining up for that 55, 56K level, okay? A lot of stuff is just lining up for that level. That doesn't mean it's just a guarantee that we're going to get there. It's just pay attention, because if we do get there, it's definitely something. Maybe put some limit orders there or something. You know, not financial advice, but maybe want to just put some limit orders there. You know, there and like 52K. You know, just put some stuff there. You know, You're not, which is exactly why I think that the 50Ks are going to get front run for sure. Can you give me your MCB settings for money flow? What do you mean? I haven't. I only change colors and remove stuff. I don't know. I don't change it. I haven't changed any of this stuff. It's all the same. It's all whatever it's supposed to do. I didn't see the weekly bull div on Doge. That doesn't mean it's not there. It might be there on another chart. That's why you got to check different exchanges. So Binance, not there. Okay. Coinbase. I mean, I don't see it. Crypto. I mean, there's a weekly bull div there, but has that already played out? I would be looking less at the weekly, maybe more on the daily. What time is it? 6:20. I should really get going. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. We even got a red dot. See, we got a red dot on Kraken. Red dot on the weekly on Kraken. Okay, and that says more downside, which I was just fixed range volume profile. This little divot. It's right at about at that 10-cent range. Right there. Which it would make a lot of sense for us to come down to this level because, let's see, this is a low here. This is resistance here. Come on. There we go. This level here. Just because we can see that it acted as support and then acted as resistance. And then we broke out of it and have not come back down to back test it. So would not surprise me to see 10 to 12 cent Doge in the coming weeks or so. And then keep pushing on to the upside. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me this morning. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. I've got to get going. I got to get ready for work. Oh, man. Hope you all have a radical day. Be safe trading. If you plan to trade, I am favoring shorts, okay? I am favoring shorts right now. But it's really, I'm not really favoring too much of anything other than short-term moves, okay? In and out type of stuff, because this is just choppy madness, and it might just be like this for the rest of the week because we have the halving coming up. So just be careful, be kind, rewind. I will see you guys in the chats. Thank you for joining me this morning. I love you all. Peace out. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. Later.